equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your HP Omen 15 and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them organized for easy reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using the spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate the keyboard connector. Disconnect it carefully. Now, remove the screws securing the keyboard. Lift it out gently. Before installing the new keyboard, clean the internal components with a soft cloth. This ensures optimal performance. Place the new keyboard in position and secure it with screws. Reconnect the keyboard connector. Replace the back cover and screw it back in place. Power on your device to test the new keyboard. For those who prefer professional help, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure transparency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.